Welcome to my channel, LionCoding in the Attic. Today we're looking at lesson 7, scaling a data model, which is part of Unit 11, data modeling, and we're doing the introduction to MongoDB course within 30 days. So, what we've learned in the video within that lesson is that we need to pay attention to how data grows in our collection. So they gave us the example of having a blog post with several comments. So at the beginning, number of comments, it was okay because there were only one or two comments, but they brought up the question of having multiple comments and like 1,000 comments, etc. And those comments in this collection were embedded. So that can trigger a series of problems. So like accessing the query and filtering the comments as well. And that's why sometimes we need to make sure that the comments are in a separate collection and the blog post in another one, but we need to keep a link between the two with a comment ID or a blog ID within each comment. That way we can scale the number of comments without any further problems. So let's have a look at the quiz. What are the effects of creating unbounded documents when embedding data? So remember that unbounded documents mean that it's a document that can grow indefinitely, like having comments added on and on within our embedded document. So unbounded document impact write performance. That's true because when it's too big, it will write the same document written over again and again. Unbounded document improve pagination performance, and that's actually quite the opposite because you cannot paginate easily when you have to run a specific command on a series of comments when it's embedded within another document. Unbounded documents cause storage problem. It could, because obviously if it exceeds the 16 megabytes upper boundary, then that will be a problem. Okay, then let's move on to the next one. What is the recommended way to avoid the unbounded document sizes that may result from embedding? That would be break data into multiple collections and use references. So remember the example of one collection for blogs, another collection for comments. Break data into multiple databases. That won't be necessary. I think you need to keep all the data within the same database. Separate documents to store on different servers. No, so I think that's answer A. Okay, what is MongoDB's principle for how you should design your data model? Data that is accessed together should be stored together. So that's a good way of remembering things. Data that is collected in the same day should be stored together. It has nothing to do with it. Data that is not in a one-to-one relationship should be stored together. So if it's not in a one-to-one relationship, probably we need to store it together. So I think anyway, A is true. Okay. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. If you'd like to follow along, please subscribe to my video, leave a comment, or even leave me a like if you enjoyed it. See you soon.